everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. Okay, I already uploaded papaya cleansing at home, so please watch that video. Okay, after that cleansing any facial, next procedure is scrubbing. This video for only papaya scrubbing. So now let's start it into the video. Okay, now take 1 spoon of papaya paste and 1 spoon of sugar, add on it and mix it well. Okay, now scrub on your face and neck also. Okay, like so. Papaya has very good for health. Okay, antioxidants are also very high level in this fruit, so we can use papaya fruit facial or papaya scrub, moisturizing face pack, any of this, okay, for glowing skin. So if you want to glowing and wrinkleless skin, please do this procedure. Okay, this is the scrub. Don't rub on your under eye area, that is very sensitive area, so you have only like that dabbing motions. Okay, if you have very sensitive skin, so you only scrub for only 2 minutes. Okay, otherwise you have do this 5 minutes also. Okay, now 5 minutes completed after wiping my face. Okay, now see the result of my face. So this is very glowing and freshy feeling. Okay, if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, next video coming up for moisturizing, how to do moisturize after scrubbing. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye.